Yellow, and welcome back to the channel. You may be wondering why I'm standing in a dark basement. Well, we are going to work on some lighting tonight. As you can see here, this thing is not doing so hot. So we're going to try to replace it with this old one that I saved, because you never throw anything away, right? Because that might make some sense. But I'm about to save myself $2 if this works. So stay tuned and let's see if we can shine some light on this project of a basement. Stay tuned. All right, so first things first, we want to take our little thinger, just replace the new battery so we know that it's good to go. Just make sure there's no electricity going through anywhere in here. Not getting any kind of, like if you hit it on something, it just, maybe. I'll call it good at that. Anyway, so safety first, kids. Make sure you get one of these here. So we're going to loosen some screws, drop this down, see what we're working with. So the power's off. I'm just going to take this out of here real quick. This might be an easy fix, but you can see this is loose. Stop making light, so I thought maybe I should fix it. It's usually what you want your lights to do, is to make light. So we need a screwdriver. All right, if you hear some noise, it's just a wash machine doing my monthly load. That's what she said. Ma. Hopefully you can see my face. So this is kind of an interesting light socket. It has, I'll show you here in a second. Screws always have so many threads on them. All right, that one's out. Let's put it somewhere where we're gonna lose it. Oh my, let's see. So on the side of this here, you'll notice there's a plug-in built in. Oh, these wires look real old. Let's check this just to be safe. You never know what you're gonna get. All right, everything's good here. Oh, are these gonna break? We might need to get a little higher here. Handy platform. It's always best to work on basement lighting at night so you get no additional light from the outside. Wow. Let's just try that first. Maybe we won't have to replace anything. And you'll never see this video. Hope you're having a good day. I don't know. Why do we need this? We already have that. Is that not hooked up? I wonder if that's not hooked up. Let's test it. All right. I'm just going to turn on the power. I'll leave that rolling in case there's an explosion. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, well that didn't turn on. Also didn't pop or explode. A couple different. Ha! Still pretty loose in there. I think we should probably just replace it. Let's do that all over again. It'll be fun. Okay, let's see where we can move you. Oh, how are you? Hey, we're back. All right, so come to find out, couldn't save any money because the ones that I had didn't have the greatest connections in them. I could show you later if you care, but Walmart saved the day again. See why I like to do these projects after what you'd call standard business hours. And so the only thing open past 9 o'clock in this town was Walmart. And I actually thought I was going to have to buy something completely different, but they had what I needed. This is actually the same one that came out. It's got the plug on the side, so we're going to crack this bad boy open. But hopefully that's not important. We got some instructions here. Espanol. To be installed by a qualified electrician. Check. No. Make sure the power is off at the circuit breaker, which we checked. Wires are pretty old and deteriorating. No, so we're going to have to figure that out. Blah, blah, blah. Strip the insulation from the incoming black supply connector. Black to brass. Black to brass. You can kiss my brass ass. Okay. So this is black. Man, these are old. Fun fact, the circuit marked, we should put some of the stuff down. The circuit that's marked basement lights is also some random outlet in the kitchen. Where the coffee maker is, of course, because now I got to reprogram that. And the insulation is failing. We're going to keep those together. Make things easier on ourselves. Got myself a new Milwaukee pliers. Picked that up from the Ace Hardware for $15 on sale. Smoking deal. Okay, that one's ready. So we'll wire nut that. This dead spider. The joys of basements. This looks like old hockey tape. Yuck. Insulation. This is like disgustingly deteriorated. Okay, we're gonna cut this one again. Wasn't expecting to get greasy. Boy, these cut nice. Real nice. Clark. Okay, so we have our black and our white. So we're gonna use these. Just don't sing. Nobody wants to hear that. That's on there. Did I put the wire nuts in my pocket? Where did I put those? That'd be convenient to have in my hand right now. There they are. Let's see how many of these I drop. Okay, old yeller. Might have to get some bigger ones. These can handle the girth of that wire. Oh, wait. Oh, she's on there. Look at that. This would be a lot easier to do if I could see anything. Conveniently placed jumper. This one looks pretty fat. Wire nut. Okay. So these are already pre-bent. Little curly cues at the end. Touch those together. Make sure we don't have any electricity going in. Just kidding. Just kidding. So we need this. There goes the instructions. What do we say? Black to brass. Got it on there. White to non-brass. This one's going to be a little trickier to sneak in there. Righty-tighty. Just don't sing. Don't sing. What just happened? Oh no, that light's dying. Oh no! We're racing the clock now. Now we just have to see if these holes line up. Which they probably won't, because nothing ever works out easily. Especially as we're losing our light. So now we want to tuck this stuff up in here. Okay, that one lines up. What are the chances? Not too tight. Don't want to crack the porcelain. Okay. I think we're in business. Only one thing left to do. Win the whole. All right. Hit the lights. I need an assistant. Oh boy. All right, moment of truth. Hey, look at that. We did it. And you can do it too. Quick recap. Hyper tough. Hyper tough. Porcelain pull chain lamp holder with outlet. We have to test the outlet. Where's the outlet tester? Handy receptacle tester. Here it is. All right. I don't know what these lights mean. Correct. 2 yellow orange lights means correct. I got nervous there because I kept seeing other stuff. So pick one of these up. Pretty cheap. And you can check your GFCIs with this as well. So I could show you here. So the one that I stole from the garage had a pull string, but it was missing. So I didn't want to install that. But here's the other one that I had. Solid construction, no pull string, which is fine. I'll just have it. I have this little adapter I could have used in a pinch to have a pull string on for the light. But the reason I didn't use this one is because this side seems a little... I don't like messing with electricity, so... And here's the original. Attaches in there. And it broke. So that was the problem. So cobbled together. So that's the old one. As you can see, it has the screw off part, but this one is all solid. So she's up and going. Another project in the books. These are my Milwaukee pliers. Highly recommend those. Pick those up at Ace Hardware. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for coming along. And thank you to Walmart for not closing at 9 o'clock like everything else in town. So they saved the day again. Now I have some light. I'm going to clean this basement because it needs some help. So until next time, keep your mug full and have a good time.
Okay.